Hey everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos. It's been forever and I'm so happy to be back. Today I'm going to share with you my wedding planner. And I have another planner. I had been going back and forth with which planner I really wanted, and I've returned to the Erin Condren family. I got this monthly deluxe planner, so it's just monthly pages and some blank lined pages, and with the standard folder in the back with the little pockets. So I want to share this with you in another video. But today, let's focus on the wedding plan. So last year, 2018, I had decided to do bullet journaling. Bullet journaling is basically this little journal like this, and inside has dotted pages. This one actually has lines in it, but it's about the same size, and it just has dots in it. So this one has dots in it, and I fell in love with the dots. I don't know if you can see it, but I did fall in love with it because you have so much freedom, and the dots help you to, write neater, make lines straighter. So I really fell in love with it. And the bullet journals, come like this with the binding like that, and pages are basically the same, just dotted. And I did that for about 6 months. And I said, you know what? I want to do my wedding planner with the same sort of dots in it, but I want to stick with sort of the coiled planner look. I had searched all of the internet trying to find out if I could find a book that had these sorts of coils and the dotted journal, like literally everywhere. And the only place I could find it was on Etsy. And I was excited, and I mean excited that I found it. So basically, you go on Etsy, go to the shop called Carrie Elle, and you'll find a journal just like this. It won't have this cover. This is actually a customized cover that I made. I actually have a video on how I make covers, so definitely check that out, also in the description box below. I also have these tabs that you see on the side here. I got those at Erin Condren's shop. I think they were on Amazon. There's also a folder at the back, which you'll see later on in the video, which I used some leftover folder from the Happy Planner and just stuck it in the back. So this entire planner is customized to me, and I absolutely love it for that. So I'm going to flip through, give you a little look through of what it is, and there's certain pages that I will not show for privacy reasons, but I hope you enjoy. So here it is. So as you can see, the inside, I actually kept the cover, and I just glued on with some double-sided tape the other cover because it was so sturdy and I wanted it to be strong. So yeah, as you can see on the first page, I have the picture of my engagement and another picture where we went to church together for the first time. And so I just kept them in these little pockets. And this page, as you can see, is just a welcome page, nothing serious. Next page is the inspiration page. I wanted a Tiffany blue theme. The next few pages you'll see are just monthly views. I did this all by hand, and I just wanted to record what happened every day. August was special. I got engaged, and I have the months all the way up into December, so everything was recorded. Well, except for December, I didn't have time to write anything in, but yeah, you know what I mean. Then I have some pictures of what I looked like. I still have yet to add some pages in, so you'll see some blanks. So as I flip through these pages, I just want you guys to know that doing a wedding planner is so special because it's yours, it's unique to you. You didn't have to fill in anything out. You did it your way, and that's what made it so special. I had a lot of pages where I just did inspiration, and a lot of pages where I just wrote a journal, and some pages where I just wrote things important down, and had some little sticky notes. As you can see, like these were important things, the venues, and seating chart, and getting my ideas out. All those things were important, but I had freedom to do it my way. So that's what I really loved about this. I definitely encourage you guys to do this because it really helps you out in knowing how to do and plan an event. It doesn't have to be just a wedding, but it really organizes everything, and it's special because you can keep it forever, So like I said, I got mine on Etsy at Carrie Elle's shop. I'll leave the link down below. And if you guys want to make your own wedding planner, let me know your questions. If you want me to help you with anything, please let me know. Thank you so much for supporting and watching this video. Please subscribe for more, and I hope that I can create more content for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love ya. Bye.